Stocks and Shares ISA explained in less than 4 minutes. Let's go. The Stocks and Shares ISA is an individual savings account that allows you to invest in the stock market tax-free. It's a kind of tax wrapper. No, not that kind, silly. Get out of here, go. Go. All it means that any profit you make is completely tax-free, which is amazing. To open one in the UK, you need to be 18 years or older, have all of your details ready, including your national insurance number. You need to dig that old card outside of your wallet somehow, or maybe check one of your last payslips. Each tax year, which runs from the start of April to the end of March, you're allowed to invest up to £20,000 tax-free.
Oh God, it's so good.
Each tax year, you're only allowed to contribute to one of these, but every single year you're allowed to open a new one each time, so go wild.
Another one.
You can invest lump sums, monthly, however you want, up to that maximum of £20,000. You could even put it in the last day if you wanted to. Once you've opened your account, you can invest in a whole lot of different things, all depending on the platform that you're invested in. This could be made up of individual shares, index funds, ETFs, investment, bonds.
It's bond. It's bond.
Investment.
Bond.
Completely up to you, all down to you as an individual, what kind of risks you want to take and what kind of things you want to invest in. Any gains, dividends or profits you make in that account are completely tax-free, so if you happen to double your £20,000 in just a week on YOLO bets on AMC or GameStop, those are all yours, completely tax-free. Cha-ching.
Show me the money.
You're also free to move money in and out at any point. There's no restrictions at all, just the fact that you've got that £20,000 annual limit. Now, you can open up a Stocks and Shares ISA at any FCA regulated stocks and shares broker, and there's a ton to choose from. Aside from all your usual suspects and all the usual banks, popular ones include Vanguard, Hargreaves Lansdown, Trading 212, Free Trade, and loads of the other robo-advisors too, like Nutmeg, Moneybox. There's loads to choose from. And how much will it cost you to open these? Unfortunately, nothing is free in life, so here's a few things you need to look out for. All of the fees you'll pay come down to the platform you're using. You're likely going to see things like platform fees and trading fees as well. So for example, if you're buying UK shares, you'll likely have to pay stamp duty on those, and if you're buying US shares in UK pounds, you're going to have some kind of FX fee as well. Look out for those account fees, look out for those management fees, and when buying funds, make sure you also look at the management fee of the fund as well and those ongoing costs. Some brokers prefer to charge a monthly fee rather than a percentage based on your account, so again, just do your research, make sure you fully understand what you're getting yourself in for, because nothing is free. Some great advice here is always to try and keep your fees as low as possible, because fees eat into your profits faster than the Cookie Monster. Stocks and Shares ISAs are a complete no-brainer in my opinion, and every single investor should try and max them out, if they can, every single year. And if you're a first-time investor, this is the first kind of account I would look to open. Remember, I'm just some random guy on the internet. I'm not a professional qualified financial advisor, so please do your own research, seek out help if you need it. I hope you found the video useful. Drop me a like if you have, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.